This tutorial is proudly presented by IOTeX Lab, a leading community delegate within the IoTeX network. If you find this tutorial useful, please consider staking your IOTX with IOTeX Lab, supporting more content. Remember, you have the flexibility to divide your IOTX into various staking buckets and vote for multiple delegates, maximizing your engagement and impact within the IOTeX ecosystem. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps for exchanging your IOTX tokens from the Ethereum blockchain to the IOTeX blockchain. Purchasing IOTX tokens is possible on many exchanges. However, it's important to note that some of these exchanges offer IOTX on the Ethereum blockchain. This is acceptable for investment, but for staking purposes, you require IOTX on its native IOTeX blockchain. In cases where your exchange, like Coinbase, only offers IOTX or CIOTX on the Ethereum blockchain, this tutorial is designed to help you convert them to the IOTeX blockchain. This is essential for staking and interacting with dApps on the IOTeX network. Firstly, download the iopay app on either Android or iOS devices. Search for iopay wallet in your respective app stores. Once installed, go through the initial setup process. It's critical to securely note your wallet's seed phrase, as it's the key to retrieving your assets if you ever lose access to your wallet. Let's take a quick tour of the iopay app interface. Your wallet address is displayed at the top right corner. Tap it to copy. The top left corner shows the blockchain network you're currently on. iopay supports several networks, including IOTeX, Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB Smart Chain. You can toggle between these networks as needed, but start with Ethereum for this tutorial. The center of the screen displays your current balance in the native token of the selected blockchain. For instance, it will show ETH if you're on Ethereum or IOTX on IOTeX. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a list of tokens you own on that particular blockchain, each with its balance. You can manage the visibility of these tokens using the plus button. Make sure you have sufficient ETH in your wallet to cover the transaction fees on the Ethereum network. The actual amount required can vary, so use tools like Etherscan Gas Tracker for current fee estimates. To start, ensure iopay is set to the Ethereum network and your wallet address is copied. Go to your exchange's withdrawal page, select IOTX or CIOTX, and paste your iopay wallet address for the withdrawal. The time for withdrawal to process can vary greatly. Once you receive the tokens in iopay, add IOTX and CIOTX to your token list. If you withdrew IOTX, we need to go to Uniswap to convert it to CIOTX, which stands for Cross-Chain IOTX. This is the token used for swapping to the IOTeX blockchain. If you have already withdrawn CIOTX, you can skip the Uniswap step. In iopay, tap the browser icon at the bottom and type app.uniswap.org in the address bar. Then click the Connect button to link your iopay wallet to Uniswap. If iopay is not listed among the wallets, you can select a compatible one like Trust or MetaMask and confirm the connection in iopay. Now select IOTX as the source token and CIOTX as the destination token. Be sure to select the correct CIOTX token to avoid any malicious tokens with the same name on Uniswap. If unsure, input the exact token addresses in the search box, which can be found in the description of this video. Tap Max to exchange the entire IOTC balance, or input the exact amount of IOTX you want to exchange. After a few seconds, you will see the calculated amount of CIOTX that you will receive. It should be almost the same amount. Click on Swap to exchange your IOTX tokens for CIOTX. You may first need to click and confirm Approve to allow Uniswap access to your IOTX tokens before you can proceed with the swap. When the swap is completed, return to your iopay wallet and ensure CIOTX is listed in your tokens. We are now ready to swap the CIOTX tokens on Ethereum for an equivalent amount on the IOTeX blockchain. In iopay, tap the browser icon again and enter iotube.org in the address bar. Ensure the source blockchain is set to Ethereum and select CIOTX as the token you want to swap. Input the amount of CIOTX you wish to swap, or tap Max to swap your entire CIOTX balance. Finally, tap My Wallet to select the same Ethereum address as the destination wallet address on the IOTeX blockchain. You can also manually input a different wallet address, but make sure it is one you own on the IOTeX blockchain. Use addresses created in wallet apps like iopay or MetaMask, and avoid using exchange or contract addresses. Click the Approve button and confirm to allow IOTube to transfer your CIOTX tokens. Wait for the token approval confirmation. Once the deposit button appears, tap it and confirm. Wait for the deposit transaction to receive confirmation on the Ethereum blockchain. The swap is then submitted to IOTube, and you should receive your CIOTX tokens at the destination wallet on the IoTeX blockchain within a few minutes. Monitor the status of your swap by visiting the IOTube Explorer and finding the transaction associated with your address. When your swap transaction settles on IOTube, indicating you've received your CIOTX on the IoTeX blockchain, verify this by returning to your wallet. Close the browser page, tap the wallet icon at the bottom, switch iopay to the IoTeX blockchain, and ensure you add CIOTX to your list of tokens. Check the balance. From this point forward, all transactions will occur on the IoTeX blockchain. Therefore, you'll need some IOTX in your wallet balance. Typically, you should receive a 0.5 IOTX airdrop for first-time use of IOTube. If this doesn't happen, join our Telegram or Discord community to request a fraction of IOTX. Our admins will be happy to assist you. You can find the links in the description. The final step is to convert the CIOTX tokens into WIOX tokens, which can then be exchanged at a 1-to-1 ratio for native IOTX tokens. To do this, open IOTube in the iopay browser again by tapping the browser icon and selecting IOTube from the browser history. In the IOTube menu, select Wrap, tap Connect Wallet, select CIOTX as the source token, and click Max to exchange your entire balance. Tap Unwrap and confirm. Return to the wallet home screen. You can add WIOTX to your list of tokens, though it is not necessary. Tap the Swap button. If you don't see the Swap button in your iopay, enable it by following a link in your mobile browser. For more information, check out the description. Select WIOX as the source token and IOTX as the destination token. Tap Max to set the whole amount, and finally tap Unwrap to exchange all your WIOTX with IOTX tokens. Once the transaction is confirmed, go back to your iopay home screen and verify that you now have all your IOTX in the wallet balance. You are now ready to stake your IOTX or use them with other dApps. This tutorial is proudly presented by IoTeX Lab, a leading community delegate within the IoTeX network. If you find this tutorial useful, please consider staking your IOTX with IoTeX Lab, supporting more content. Remember, you have the flexibility to divide your IOTX into various staking buckets and vote for multiple delegates, maximizing your engagement and impact within the IoTeX ecosystem.